Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from OSCON 2016 in Austin, Texas. I'm here with Anni Lai.
Lai, yes.
How are you doing?
Good, very good. I'm
So
glad
you're
to be
head
here.
of global business development for the IT product line at Huawei.
hmm
That's a long title. What do you do?
What I do, okay, actually, I'm responsible for building strategic partnerships for
Okay.
Huawei, and partnerships include, technology vendors as well as large telco vendors, because we are in this very interesting world that a lot of times that telcos want to experiment, want to innovate, and it doesn't mean they already have a RFP, but they want to find technology partners that they can partner with. So a lot of times I fly out to meet C-level customers and then talk to them and kind of help understand the industry trends and then work on projects together. So for the last 4 years, since I joined Huawei, I have been to over 30 countries, 5 continents, all of them. I met with first-tier telcos, second-tier telcos, and as well as enterprise and service provider customers.
Excellent. And you guys have a relationship with OpenStack. Can you talk a little bit about what that is and what you're
Yeah,
doing?
absolutely. OpenStack is very strategic to Huawei, and so we actually have been involved in OpenStack since the OpenStack Grizzly timeframe, which is 2013, and we have been investing heavily in OpenStack, participating in OpenStack community, and we've been a gold member for 2 years. And I currently sit on OpenStack board. And at the community level, we have a lot of developers, architects working in the community. We have, 5 PTLs, project leaders, and then lots of core members. And we work very closely with the OpenStack community. And also, we want to bring OpenStack to China. And because China's got the 10% of the worldwide developers, and there's a lot of OpenStack movement and interest in China. For example, I and this another board member from Intel, and we are organizing this China Day, OpenStack China Day in July 14th and 15th, and we're expecting about 2,000 attendees. So this is the first
In
time.
which city?
Beijing.
Beijing,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, this is the first time that OpenStack is having an OpenStack Day in China. And so we're all very excited about that. And our goal is to, promote, educate OpenStack in China developer community.
So Huawei is obviously investing heavily in OpenStack. What is the benefit of that for you,
Right.
and having OpenStack be big in China? What does that do for
Right.
Huawei?
Yeah, so Huawei serves the telco industry as well as the China market as well. And Huawei is a very much a customer-oriented kind of partnership type of company. And the reason we pick OpenStack is we have been listening to our customers, our telco customers as well as enterprise customers and customers in China. And customers today, they don't want vendor lock-in. They want to have choices. And in the end of the day, they want to have this ubiquitous platform where they can insert all kinds of hardwares and softwares with interoperability and compatibility. And this is what customers want. And that's why we've been investing very heavily in OpenStack. And from a long-term perspective, customers are going to have more innovation, more interoperability. There's no vendor lock-in, and those are the reasons we invest in OpenStack.
So it's good. It's good for China. It's good for Huawei. It's good for everyone.
Telco, good
all
for
the partners,
right.
your ecosystem.
Correct.
So you're investing and contributing. What are some of the contributions you guys are making?
Yeah, we have made a lot of contributions. And first of all, we come from a telecommunication background, so we know network the most comparing to a lot of other vendors. So we bring that expertise into OpenStack. So for example, we have projects like service function chaining, which is kind of a SDN type of solutions to help improve OpenStack kind of environment. And also we have a lot of telcos and large service providers, they have a cloud environment in a distributed architecture, distributed data center environment. And so we actually make a lot of contributions to help improve that area. For example, we have a project called Tricircle, which is kind of a unified OpenStack in a distributed environment. And we're also currently working with Google developers because Google's got this Kubernetes, which is for distributed container environment. So it is a very good marriage, with Kubernetes working with our Tricircle project for OpenStack environment. So we can truly have this federated, unified cloud environment sitting across multiple data centers with both containers and VM.
So Kubernetes and other container technology, or just Kubernetes right now?
Oh no, we work with all the container technology
Okay.
like Mesospheres, OCI. We have been investing we are one of the founding members for both OCI, CNCF. So
Okay.
container is another strategic area that Huawei is investing in too as well. And so our goal is to make sure that we can integrate OpenStack environment with container environment. So we have led projects like OpenStack projects such as Magnon and Courier and Cola. All these OpenStack projects, their purpose is to integrate seamlessly from OpenStack environment with container environment. So in the end of the day, customers want to have a hybrid environment.
Yeah,
Right.
exactly. So you're investing heavily in containers, heavily in OpenStack, and you're building a cloud infrastructure in China? Is that, or for the whole world, really?
We have technology, and also we also have a public cloud in China serving the Chinese market. But we do have a cloud platform technology and services.
Excellent. So, Annie, if you could fast forward 12 months from now, what would you like to see Huawei doing with OpenStack and containers in 12 months from now?
Yeah, so I like to see Huawei can help OpenStack community make OpenStack a truly telco-ready cloud platform and enterprise-ready cloud platform, and which means it's going to have full interoperability, scalability, reliability, and performance that is required by the production, enterprise, and telco environments. And also, there's a lot of a lot of innovations in the container space. I would like to see Huawei can help OpenStack community and container community to seamlessly come up with standards and fully integrate the two good technologies together. And so customers can have a truly hybrid environment where from a top perspective, they have this unified view, unified management and orchestration. And underneath, customers will have choices, hardware choices, software choices, container or VM, bare metal, all of them. Customers want to have lots of choices, and all of them interoperate together.
Excellent. Annie, we look forward to working with you on that journey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mike.